Wow, this is...
Tan guapa.
I've never seen anything like this.
Me ha sorprendido, me gusta.
This is sick.
Feels like you're walking on a cloud.
Me gusta la sensación.
1 to 10, easily 10.
And you feel like...
They are so comfortable, man.
While I was walking on them, I already felt that there was something happening.
Wow, me habéis pillado calentando. Mike me ha dicho que tiene una sorpresa para mí, que es algo que me va a ayudar con mi juego, así que vamos a ver lo que es.
I'm not sure.
It looks like some boots, or no?
Unos zapatos o algo, ¿no? Con la caja.
Must be a shoe or something like this. Can I open it?
Unas chanclas. No sé. Intuición.
Nike always tries to innovate things and to make the product better, so
No sé, algunos zapatos para mejorar el estilo de juego.
it's difficult to say. I don't know yet.
Va, mira.
I think this looks like a foot.
The box looks amazing.
Nike Mind, it says.
La mente, ¿no? Mind.
So probably something with the mind.
Something that would help us, the mind.
But this could be, I don't know, trigger points or something. Let's see, can I open it? There's a card.
Nike lanza un nuevo tipo de zapatillas diseñadas para ayudar a atletas
A mentalizarse adecuadamente antes y después de una competición.
The first neuroscience-based footwear from Nike that taps into the mind-body connection.
By activating sensory receptors in the feet. Interesting.
This talks about recovering and stuff, so it must be something.
So I think it's a shoe with like trigger points on the bottom.
diseñadas para conectar mente y cuerpo, ¿no?
Let's find out.
Oh wow, this is... this is cool, man.
Tan guapa.
Very interesting. So it's like between a shoe and a slipper, I think, no?
Están bien, están guapas. Me ha sorprendido, me gustan.
I like the shoes. I could easily wear this outside also, to be honest. And then, of course, the bottom. This is totally new, man. I've never seen anything like this.
El color me gusta y esto de aquí abajo.
Bueno, aparte de la suela esta así, me gusta esta forma así.
Será para eso, para concentrarte más.
Pues mi cuerpo también esté en sintonía.
It's called Nike Mind.
Creo que es la primera vez que veo este producto así y la verdad que es tan chulo. Yo le pondría un 10 y con ganas de estrenarla ya.
I would walk back and forth and see.
I'm very curious actually to try them on and to see how it is, how it feels.
Ah, para la ducha no. No.
Let's try it.
They feel comfortable. That's important already. Wow, I feel it directly.
Ah, that's comfortable. This is sick.
Las bolas las notas ahí abajo. Pero bien, me gusta.
Yeah, very comfortable. Doesn't feel like I have any boots on. Feels like you're walking on a cloud. So very comfortable.
They walk nice. And you feel like the triggers under your feet. I felt it already when I was seated.
La verdad que sí, se siente muy cómodo y me gusta la sensación. Esto de aquí abajo como muy bien.
No, I mean, like how comfortable they are. And for me, like I said, they look cool as well.
You feel like there's something under it and it makes it very soft.
And like I said, you're walking on clouds, so I like them.
Para mí el color me encanta.
Oh, that color is sick, especially with the things we have on now. So
And I don't know if it's because of the shoes or just because I'm relaxed now, but I feel very comfortable.
from 1 to 10,
Easily 10, man.
What surprised me the most was the moment I put them on and I really felt something like trigger points under my feet.
Sobre todo los pies más relajados. Son cómodas y para mí es importante que sea cómodo.
This is something I've never seen before. I've never tried something like this. I really think that they will help me during training.
Una hora antes del partido, por ejemplo, para estar más tranquilo, más relajado.
Nike told me that there's another surprise for me waiting. There's an expert that's gonna be explaining me about the scientific things behind the shoe. So I'm very curious, so let's find out. Come with me.
Man, they are so comfortable, man.
I'm Frankie.
Right or left?
¿Todo bien?
¿Qué tal?
Un placer.
Igualmente.
How are you? Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Very good, very good, very good. The thing that for me stood out was the benefit of these shoes. Like the foot is connected to the mind was something I didn't know.
Lo que me ha quedado claro es que no se puede mojar. Es para mantener el cuerpo concentrado antes de los partidos.
What I like most about it that there's scientific, that it's proven scientifically that it helps you with like relaxing and activating the mind before and after games.
The connection between the foot and the mind, that's definitely the thing that interests me the most.
Y bueno, también me ha gustado mucho las bolitas estas, que es como una especie de amortiguación a la hora de andar.
While I was walking on them in the hallway just now, I already felt that there was something happening, that the mind clears a bit. So that made me even more exciting, and then all the explaining about the scientific part, I think it makes all sense, so excited.
Lo que más me quedaría sería la conexión entre cuerpo y mente, porque creo que, sobre todo antes de entrenar o antes de un partido, creo que es importante.
La verdad, yo creo que será muy cómodo, mantendrá al cuerpo más concentrado.
I really like the product. I'm very excited to try them on and to wear it. So I'm really excited to see the benefits actually, and I will wear them for sure.
Bueno chicos, esto ha sido todo. La verdad que la sorpresa me ha gustado mucho y bueno, seguro que ahora para el entrenamiento va a estar más enfocado y seguro que va a ir todo bien.